Hey everybody, my name's Matt. This is a tour of my Port Huron and Detroit model railroad in Apache Junction, Arizona. And my trains come out into my living room. Actually went right through the closet of this bedroom that we're going to go into. Actual crossbucks from Flagstaff, Arizona. And here's my train room. As you can tell, that's what used to be a closet, not anymore. I took the doors off and went right through the wall to the living room. My backdrop I hand painted, that's 3/16 Masonite. Curved into the walls. Gotta excuse the mess, this is a before and there'll be an after pic, or an after video rather. As you can tell, all the bench work, it's basically 1x3s. And there's not a lot of legs. I didn't want a lot of knee knockers. My roll top desk is kind of going to serve as a workbench. As you can tell, like all model railroads, it's a complete mess right now, and it's not planned out. Kind of got stuff everywhere. Stuff down there. I got buildings in up there. These cabinets I picked up at Lowe's. I think they were like $40. They were unfinished. So there's 3 of them. They're great for storage. Put more stuff in them. Sorry for the shakiness. There's some more of the cars. There's some of the Port Huron and Detroit.